Well, just look at that view, eh? This is Newquay, wet and windy. Still absolutely beautiful though, isn't it, eh? That's just the windscreen wipers going. Don't get frightened by it. Absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, this is where I didn't park up last night. Wished I could have done. Well, it's back to ugly me now. Don't think I should let you see much of that sea. As I was saying, couldn't park up here last night, unfortunately. Last night was probably the worst night I had for park-ups. I was in a scruffy damn lay-by just outside Newquay. No facilities whatsoever. Absolute bloody beastly it was. Absolutely. Not good at all. So I shall be returning back to Blighty tonight. I think, get back up on that coastal path and park up there. Well, I'm not quite sure how long I've actually been living in the van at the moment. Really not. I think it's about 4 to 5 weeks. Living in a van, I think I've lost my mind. Although, did I really have one before? That is the question. And in all honesty, it's been a lot better than I thought. It's actually been quite easy. If you've watched my other videos, the one in the snow, that was a dream. Lovely and cosy in the van, not a problem. And I'm still here, so I must have survived it. See. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it, eh? So yeah, as I was saying, I've done to about 4 to 5 weeks in the van. Not quite sure how long. But does it really matter? No bills, no nothing. Living the dream out in the van. Best thing I've ever done, I reckon. Well, I think this video I'll have to do now because I'm running low on data. I've got to upload it yet. Because I've not found anywhere really where I can swipe data from on that Wi-Fi. Very tricky, that Wi-Fi, to get your head round. If anybody's got any suggestions, please feel free to post them on the comments, as I am actually struggling. That's the only one thing I'm struggling on, is the Wi-Fi connections. You click on to like Tesco's, Morrison's and all them, and it don't even let you use the internet. You can't upload anything or download things. You can't even go on things like eBay or anything. So yeah, if anybody's got any suggestions, they're much appreciated if you want to post them. Tell me how to actually get onto the Wi-Fi's. The wind's actually picking up quite strong now as well down here. So I'm going to love you and leave you, folks. Hope you enjoy the video. Please feel free to watch me other ones and subscribe if you wish to. If you don't, it's not a problem. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.